Hello friends and my dear students, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel English Guru Rakesh ji. So today's topic, let's start with that. A topic, past continuous tense, identification. Okay, what comes at the end of the Hindi sentences, right? Suppose you have any Hindi sentence, right? So how you can recognize that that is in past continuous tense, right? So at the end of Hindi sentence, what comes? Raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, right? Then helping verb. Helping verb we use in this tense, that is was and were. Then verb. Which form of verb we can use in this tense? That is first form of the verb. Okay. And with that we can use ing. Then it will become what? Playing. Right. Then there is a singular subject, right? So singular subjects are he, she, it. Book means name of any one person or name of any one thing, right? For example, book and a door, right? So with that you can use was. Okay. Then what comes? That plural subjects. Plural subjects like we. Okay, I is also kept in this category in this tense, right? Okay, because with that we can use with I we can use was. Okay, so I is not we can use here, right? So we can use here we, you and they, right? With these plural subjects we can use were. Clear? Okay. So now we can start to make the sentences, right? We can take one sentence. वह एक तस्वीर बना रहा था. ओके, वह क्या बना रहा था? एक तस्वीर बना रहा था, राइट? तो उस सेंटेंस को हम कैसे सिंपल सेंटेंस में मतलब लिख सकते हैं, राइट? हाउ वी कैन राइट दैट इनटू द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, सो फर्स्टली सिंपल सेंटेंस. Pattern, subject, okay, then helping verb, was and were. Okay, after that verb first form. Okay, I have given you the example of playing. Okay, in this way you can use ing with the rest of the verbs. Okay, then object. Clear? Okay, so what was the sentence? वह एक तस्वीर बना रहा था. Okay, action जो है वो past में हो चुका है, right? So how we can write that? He. Okay, he के साथ कौन सी helping verb we can use? That is was. He was. Okay, तस्वीर बना रहा था. He was drawing a picture, right? वो क्या बना रहा था? एक तस्वीर. Now we can proceed for the next, that is a negative sentence. Okay, negative sentence pattern, use of subject in the beginning, then was not and were not. Okay, were not. Then what comes? Verb first form, ing. Okay, and then object. Clear? You can change this sentence into the negative sentence. वह एक तस्वीर नहीं बना रहा था. He was not drawing a picture, right? So in this way you can write in English these हिंदी sentences, right? वह एक तस्वीर नहीं बना रहा था. We can proceed for the next one, that is interrogative sentence. Okay. So in the interrogative sentence, you know that we ask the question and helping verb is used before the subject. Okay. So here we can take interrogative sentence, right? Use of the helping verb in the beginning means before the subject. Okay. Then verb, first form along with ing, okay, and then object and sign of interrogation. So here the sentence will be like what? क्या वह एक तस्वीर बना रहा था? So we can write it like this: was he drawing a picture? Right? And next, that is a negative interrogative sentence. Negative interrogative sentence. Okay. So in the negative interrogative sentence, the use of helping verb, that is was and were, before the subject, and then you can use not, right? And after that, verb first form with ing and then object, and at the end sign of interrogation. Okay. So here you can write this sentence. Okay. Was, then subject he, then not, was he not drawing a picture? ओके, क्या वह एक तस्वीर नहीं बना रहा था? ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन कन्वर्ट द सेंटेंस फ्रॉम अ सिंपल टू negative and then interrogative and then negative interrogative one, right? So this is the way. Clear? So now we can take few sentences, okay, as exercise so that you can understand well. Okay. So now you can see these sentences, right? So those are in the past continuous tense. They were fighting with each other. वे आपस में लड़ रहे थे. They were fighting with each other, right? Next sentence, he was flying a kite. Okay, वह एक पतंग उड़ा रहा था, right? They were laughing at us. Okay, वे हम पर हंस रहे थे. The police was catching a thief. पुलिस एक चोर को पकड़ रही थी, right? So these are the sentences. You can change them into the negative interrogative and negative interrogative, right? And you can do this exercise also, and I will give you few verbs and you can use those verbs to make the sentences, right? So here are few verbs, to them you can use in their on sentences, right, in English. Is it clear? So verb 1, worry, right? Worry, chinta karna, right? Okay. Then grieve. Grieve means when जैसे शोक व्यक्त करना. If someone you know that has died, then you are grieving over the death of that person, right? Okay. And then accept. Accept means स्वीकार करना. Okay, as you accept something from someone else, right? And then instruct. Instruct means to provide some guidelines, right? Okay, what to do and what not to do. Is it clear? And second form and third form means past and past participle of worry, worried, worried, grieve, grieved, grieved, accept, accepted, accepted, and then instruct, instructed, instructed, and next verb is forbid. Forbid means when we are restricted to do anything else, right? जब हमें किसी चीज को ना करने की परमिशन नहीं होती है, ठीक है, कोई हम काम नहीं कर सकते, मतलब मना ही होना, फॉरबिड, राइट, व्हेन वी आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू डू समथिंग. Forbid, second form, that is forbade, and third is forbidden, right? Thank you for watching the video and hope that you will do this work, right, and have understood well all the things, means all the rules, right? Thank you.